Burger King in Chile is taking some heat for an Instagram post. Burger King's back in the news with a social media post that is not being received perfectly. Now, you recall the story previously on International Women's Day. They had the controversial post, and then they tried to defend it, and then they took it down.
Yeah. Very awkward time.
So weird. Yeah. I think we talked about it twice on this show, actually. This one, I don't know how you're gonna feel about it. I really wanted to put this one in front of you.
Especially because I talked about this particular canal?
What's the name of that canal? Just remind me.
Isn't it Swiss?
Come on, man. You're telling me you didn't go look it up after that debacle?
Well, you tell me.
Yeah, it's the Suez Canal.
Suez Canal. Gotcha.
In Egypt.
Right.
And we can probably say it nicer than that, but roughly speaking, that's what it is. As opposed to the Seuss Canal.
Yeah. Dr. Seuss Canal?
Yeah, the Seuss Canal is what you called it. Yeah. And by the way, if you haven't seen that clip, number one clip in later clips history, look for the Willie Do Wild Card Returns, I think is the name of the clip.
I don't know.
Yeah, go look for it.
All right.
Willie Doo's in prime condition for that one. So in this case, yeah, it's because it includes that, but it's also their take on it. So if you scroll down, you can see the social media post in question. There it is. It's a Whopper, a double Whopper, Burger King burger, blocking the Suez Canal in the same way that the ship was. Because it's so big. I mean, you see it says Grande there. The Whopper is so big, it's blocking the... Now, some people laughed, as you would in the comments, and then other people were like, you shouldn't be capitalizing on this. And then people were also attacking Burger King. What is your feeling on this? Is this okay to joke with or not okay to joke with?
Apparently, the whole situation to get the boat unstuck is quite terrible. It's just like a lot of logistics and seeing if things would work and super risky, a lot of money involved. But at the end of the day, no one got hurt. No one got killed. And I mean,
apparently
Whopper's just, Burger King's trying to get their punches in.
They say that the incident may have disrupted billions of dollars in international trade.
Yes. But no one got hurt.
Well, not physically hurt, but definitely economically hurt.
Yeah.
Like somebody might have lost their job over this.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't really know. This seems like a little bit of fun for them. Maybe in poor taste. I don't find it offensive personally.
Do you or do you not stand with Burger King?
No. I stand for McDonald's.